Adventures with Henri. Surprise egg hunt. Okay, go ahead. You find one? You want a bucket? Put your bucket over here.
I found the orange one.
Oh, you got it.
Mix it open. We have Mickey.
Mickey Mouse?
Yes.
Awesome.
It's from Disney World.
Yeah,
Mommy saw him at Disney World.
we did.
We saw the yellow one.
Okay. Do you want to open it or you want to save them for later?
Let's open this one.
Okay, who's in it?
Candy.
A candy one?
I ate this.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you eat it.
Thank you.
Let's find more. Oh, look at these balls. We found a purple one. The blue one. And this is white purple.
That is a light purple. Good
You
job.
can see.
Henri, how old are you?
2 years old.
Good job.
There's a boogie guy in here.
Let's open it up and see.
Put it in there. Is there any more? I found a blue one. Oh. That one in the egg.
That's okay. You can still put them in your bucket.
Mickey. I see him.
Do you want to open up the eggs or are you going to save them?
Save one.
Okay.
It's over here. Look at it. Wow. I think a lot of Oh, I see the pink one.
What's inside?
Wanna go?
Luna girl, PJ Mask.
Yeah. Wanna go? Whoa! Wanna go? Whoa! Put it in my bucket. That is really cool. That one is really cool.
Yeah.
I see the green one.
You see a green one? What's inside?
Gecko!
Gecko.
Pumpkin mask. I think Gecko's in there.
Yeah,
I love Gecko.
he's a cool guy.
And what's up this world? Look at this ball.
Oh, that's a cool ball.
What is this ball?
What color is it?
Blue.
Yeah.
Oh, I need a purple one.
What's inside the purple one?
The kitten guy.
Is it a mini figure? Lego?
Let's go.
Can you close it out?
Whoops. I think we're too big in here. Let's put it inside an egg hunt. You sending more? I see the big.
What's inside that one?
The
A
minion!
minion.
That is really cool. It can live with Gecko. That is in the box. That is a pretty cool egg.
Yeah. You see more?
I see the pink one. What's inside the pink one? Yeah, red!
Cool. Let me see her. Cool. Can you turn her around for me? see. Very cool.
Him don't have his cape.
No, that's okay.
I'm gonna do Eric. Eric looks so as a PJ Mask.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I think I see maybe a yellow one. Do you see a yellow one? Oh,
I see the blue one.
What's in the blue one?
The Lego Minion.
Let's see him.
Him is a sister one.
Oh, okay.
We'll put him back in the egg. Him swamped in the eggs. And we eat him back. Wow, that is really cool.
That is. I see maybe one in there.
You see the purple one. The minion.
Another minion? Can I see his face?
Yay! Let's put him back in the egg. Rather than the egg. Let's put it in the egg.
Okay.
Garden.
What else do you see?
The yellow one.
There it is.
Nemo.
Nemo, way cool. Let's see him. Cool.
Him got some wings and some eyes.
Yeah.
And the mouth. I'll put him back in the egg and blocks. It's a boing.
It did.
Put it in the egg.
Let's see, is there more?
I see the blue one.
Blue one, okay.
The guy.
The guy?
Yeah. Whoops, I dropped my phone. Where is him? You see him?
Is he stuck in the ball somewhere?
I see the pink one. Aside in the pink one. The egg.
It's an egg inside of an egg?
Egg inside it. Close it up. The egg side into Max. I love that. The egg with a chocolate frosting.
Oh, it's a chocolate surprise egg. Cool.
It melted.
It melted?
You see some more? I see the guy.
Oh, that's the guy we dropped. Can I see him? Ooh.
It's a cat.
Yeah, it's a Lego minifigure.
Mm-hmm.
Do you love Legos?
Mm-hmm. Look at that like this. There's any more here?
I think there's a couple more.
I see the blue one.
Let's see. What's in him?
The car.
What kind of car is that?
The cat cups.
Oh, okay. Can I see? Way cool. Is that a Hot Wheels?
Yeah. I put it in an egg.
Okay.
That's how the big one wants. With the orange one. But this animal couple. I put some waters in the bar. That's how you see some eggs.
Dig, dig, dig. Oh, there's a little blue one. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Right. Here. You see it? Right there.
The corn guy.
Is that a corn guy? Let's see him. See a Lego?
Yeah.
Cool.
I put it in the egg. That's how he wants with the other egg.
Okay.
Him is a baby.
He's a baby.
And sometimes with the mom in the center.
Oh, that's so nice.
The purple one was inside the purple one. We dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Whoa.
And the wizard.
Do you want to put him out here so we can see him?
Wow. One dinosaur and the wizard. One dinosaur and two dinosaurs. Look at them.
Way cool.
That is in all the box.
Do you want to open up your eggs and put them here so we can see them?
Oops. No, let's save them later.
Okay. What do you think? Was that fun, Henry?
Oh, there are more eggs in here. More eggs?
I think that might be it.
Yes, it is.
Can you say see you next time?
They're more in.
See you later, friends. Bye-bye.
Let's take them on. More in here?
Maybe next time. See you soon.
Yes,